It's your girl Tina Shrek, the ultimate baby. Period. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are not, welcome back, baby. Hey, girl. Hey. So, I'm about to try and do the 15-minute makeup challenge. I don't know how well this is going to go because it usually takes me at least an hour to do my makeup. But we're going to do this 15-minute challenge. And yeah, we'll see how it come out. So, let's go ahead and set the timer. Okay. So, we got the timer on 15 minutes. So, let's go ahead and start. Okay. Okay, so I already got my lashes on and that's kind of cheating. So, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I am probably not going to be talking to you guys as much because 15 minutes to do some makeup, I don't know. So, let's just get started.
Happy music. Happy music.
Oh my gosh, y'all. It's been 5 minutes already. I'm just on brows. Okay. Alright, so let's put some primer on. Because we're going to leave brows just like that. Period. So, put some primer on. Alright, primer is on. What's next? I feel like I don't know what to do because I'm rushing. Okay, hold on.
Copy music.
Come on, camera. Yeah, I'm really getting used to this camera and the settings and stuff, so I'm trying not to edit the video so that we can really see that this was 15 minutes. So if the camera fade in and out, I'm still learning this camera. I'm probably not gonna hit my forehead at all. I'm gonna leave it just like that. I usually would kind of let this sit for a second, but we don't got time. We don't got time. Keep in mind, y'all, I'm not a makeup artist. This is how I do my own makeup. And it works out for me. I've learned from all of the girlies on TikTok. Not TikTok, but YouTube and TikTok. So, both. Let's check the timer. Yeah. Lord. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, go back in with this brush. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, put a little powder. Putting the powder.
Copy music.
Alright, so I don't have no time to let this just bake in there at all. Alright, so powder. Alright. Whoo, time is ticking. Alright, let's do some blush. Let's do some blush. Alright.
Copy music.
That might be a bit too much. Woo. Shimmer. Let's do some shimmer. Alright, after that, what are we doing? What are we doing? Let me just add a little bit of blush to my eyelids just a little bit. Just give you something up there. Oh, this is looking crazy. I shouldn't even try this. All right. Let's put some highlight. Oh, where did I put them at? Oh, y'all, listen, I'm down to the minute. I'm at the minute mark. Okay. Let's see. 1 minute, y'all. Ooh, okay. I got this. Let's blend it out. lipstick. I love me a good nude. Put just a little bit of gloss on top. Oh Lord, the gloss is in my purse. I don't like that one, but and hit it with some setting spray. Time's up. I mean, I did it. I did it. Let me just put the spray on. Because I'm basically done. So, 15-minute makeup challenge. How did I do? I probably put a little bit too much blush. It kind of, it's good. So, what do you guys think? Challenge accepted, challenge passed. Let me know. I feel like I ate. So I feel like I passed, y'all. Period. So that is it for this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. The baby is out.